how to report a missing or damaged ingredient on HelloFresh. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you got a missing or damaged ingredient in your HelloFresh box, well, here is how to report it quickly using the mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, you can just tap on the menu icon and then select help or support. And after that, you simply have to find and tap on the option labeled report missing or damaged items. And after that, you simply have to fill out the forms with your order number and describe the problem. And with that, you can also attach pictures of damaged and missing ingredient if you can. And after that, you can simply tap submit to send your report to HelloFresh support. And that's it. Once you do that, now HelloFresh will follow up to fix the issue. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.